Day students, so today we will have our new topic in our class. So I am Miss Aisel Jean Esparilla, your English teacher. So before we will start our class, so let's have a prayer. Okay, who wants to volunteer? Okay, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, arrange your chairs properly. This row. Okay, so good morning class. So this is your class in English 102. Okay? Before anything else, let us check the attendance. Miss Secretary, please check the attendance. Okay, thank you. So who can give me give me the idea about the past lesson? Okay, thank you, very good. So before we will start or to begin our new lesson for today, so we will have an activity for you to have an interest and to boost your energy in class, okay? So we have here sentences or phrases that is about our topic. So I will let you see different pictures or post pictures that you will you need to identify in which is the correct or the right connection of the pictures. Okay, number one. Okay, so the one, if you want to answer, you can raise your hand. Okay, number one, we have the number one. Okay, as you can see in the picture, this is the phrase. So you will able to match or to arrange the words into its correct phrase. Okay? It was a great place. Okay, check. Okay, number two. Give the president order well and. Okay? So the answer is correct. So the president will give an order. Okay? The number one is, it's called, okay, that's number three. The fantastic night in the plaza was absolutely. So, okay? Okay, thank you. Very good. So the correct answer is, the night in the plaza was absolutely fantastic. Okay, number four. Okay, who wants to answer? Okay, very good. I will marry the man of my dreams. Okay, and number five. Okay, miss. Okay, thank you. Very good. So she was working at the call center. So we have able to have a activity to motivate you to have the interest, to catch your interest in this class or in this our new lesson. So now I will ask you, what is your observation on the pictures or images that was posted? Okay, any idea? Okay, very good. Okay, all the pictures and the phrases that I have posted were all connected to each other. Okay, number two. What do you think is its relation with the words or phrase that you have formulated? Okay, thank you. So it is about our topic or our new lesson for today. Okay, very good. So our topic or our new lesson for today is about the types and functions of collocations and its examples. So let us have the objectives. So at the end of the lessons, the students are expected to identify the different types of collocations, to define collocation, generate examples of collocations, to apply their understanding in formulating sentences using the collocations, and to participate in the exercises or activities in relation with the lesson collocations. So our topic or our lesson is about collocations. So who wants to volunteer to read and define the collocation? Okay, very good. So collocations are words that are commonly paired in English language. It refers to a group of words that often go together or that will likely to occur together. Two words that often go together. So that means all the words that are paired in their English language, that was called collocations. Okay, the functions of collocations, it focuses with establishing a single word meaning. Next, takes definition for granted and is concerned with the words that are typically appear with any particular word. Next, collocational information often enables the words to be used. So all the linking words, all the connected words were to be used it allows to analyze the word's importance. So every word that is connected to its collocation are important. We can able to identify, to analyze, and to know its importance. Okay, now students, let us know what are the types of collocations. So we already know about the basic parts of speech, the adjective, adverb, verb, noun, and now let us define or let us deepen or expand our knowledge about the collocations. Okay, adverb, the first type is adverb plus adjective. So adjectives are used to describe nouns, and adverbs that are used with verbs to say how things are done. Those collocations use adverbs to make the adjective stronger. So the examples. So when you add a word adverb plus the adjective, it will make the adverb plus adjective. Okay. Number 1, they were laughing loudly. So what is the collocation? Okay. Very good. The collocation is laughing loudly. It is an adverb and then an adjective. Laughing and then loudly. Okay, the next example is Jim is a slow driver. He drives slowly. Okay, what is the collocation? Okay, very good. The collocation is drive slowly. Okay, very good. Okay, number 2. Let us go to number 2. Adjective plus noun. Adjectives are describing words. They are used to describe nouns. Okay, the noun and the adjective. So, Laika is my best friend. So, what is the collocation? Okay, very good. Best friend. Okay, from the word, the adjective and the noun. Okay, very good. Okay, the next sample. I am suffering from mental illness. Okay? Okay, very good. The collocation here is, the adjective and noun is the mental and the illness. Okay, let us go to number 3, the third type of collocations. Okay, noun plus noun. To name common kinds of things, it is a combination of words in the language that happens very often or more frequently. So, noun, we all know that noun names a place, people, or things. Okay. She was assigned at the post office. Okay, what is the collocation? Okay, very good. The collocation here is the post office. So, it is the same noun. A noun that is added in the noun, it is a noun plus noun, it's a collocation. So, next, we need to get out from our comfort zone to feel alive. Okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, very good. The collocation is comfort zone because I have said it is same noun and noun. Okay, next. Noun plus verb. Okay. Nouns are naming words, subject or things. And verbs are doing words. So, diba? Verb or action words. So, if it is added, noun plus verb collocation. So, these are the examples. Rosal wrote a letter to his lover. Oh, so what is the noun plus verb? Okay, very good. The noun plus verb is Rosal wrote because Rosal is the noun. Yeah? And wrote is the verb, an action word. Okay, very good. Next. I will make adobo for dinner. Okay, what is the collocation? Okay, very good. Okay, will make. So, the I and make. So, the noun here is I and the verb is make. Okay, very good. Very good students for listening and for learning. Okay, number 5. Let's go to number 5, verb plus noun. So, a word or a phrase that is often used with another word or phrase. The certain nouns are combined with certain verbs. So, a verb and a noun, okay? So, it is like substituting. So, it was changed. Okay, the board members will conduct an analysis. Okay, what is the noun plus verb? Verb plus noun. Okay, very good. So, the verb plus noun collocation here is the conduct analysis. Okay, as you can see, it is an action word, conduct, and then analysis is a noun. Okay, very good. Next, you can now ask a question. Okay, what is the collocation? Okay, very good. So, the collocation for the verb plus noun here is ask question. But ask, a verb, an action word, you will ask, and then a question, which is a noun. Okay, very good. Okay, next, verb plus expression with preposition. A prepositional verb is an idiomatic expression that combines a verb and a preposition to make a new verb with a distinct meaning. Okay? Okay, so our verb plus purpose expression with preposition collocation here is don't talk about us to other people. So that is the first example. So the collocation here is what? Very good. So talk about. Talk is a verb and then about is a preposition. Very good. Okay. The next example. I will walk with Rian tomorrow. Okay, what is the collocation? Very good. So the collocation here is walk with. Okay. Walk is a verb, an action word. You were walking. You are going to walk. Okay. And with is a preposition. Okay. Very good. And for the last type of collocation, verb plus adverb. A verb is a word of an action or state of being, while an adverb is a word used to modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. The adverbs add more information about the action, which is the adverb. Okay, so it is like an adverb and then added with the verb. So here are the examples. So first, so Megan was badly injured in the accident. Okay, what is the collocation here? Okay, very good. Badly injured. So a verb and an adverb. Okay, next. I highly recommend the milk tea shop I saw earlier. So what is the collocation? Okay, very good. The collocation is highly recommend. Okay, so thank you so let us go next. So any questions or clarifications about the lesson that we've had about defining the collocations, enumerating the types and its examples? Okay, any clarification? Okay, thank you so much for listening. Okay, so now we will have an activity for us to evaluate our learnings if we have learned something or listened to our lesson. Okay, so the class will be divided into 7 groups. So you are all 35. So one group will compose of 5 members. So each group in a box, a group representative should pick a specific type that will be their topic in the activity. The type of collocation they have picked corresponds to a type of collocation that they will put together. They need to formulate at least 5 according to the type they pick and use it in the sentences. After formulating the collocations, each group will present in front of the class. A group form the right collocations will have the perfect score in the activity. So, diba? We already talked about the 7 collocations. So, the 7 collocations, the adverb, adjective, adjective plus noun, noun plus noun, noun plus verb, verb plus noun, verb plus expression preposition, and verb plus adverb. So, whatever you've picked from the box about the 7, so that will correspond about the activity that you will do, which is making sentences out of the topic, out of the type that you have picked. So very good students, you all got the perfect scores and the good ideas that you have formulated the sentences, use the types of collocations, use the right words in the sentences. So I want to congratulate you all for the understanding and the good work about the lesson. Okay, now we will have the generalization or evaluation for you to have a idea if you really learned something. Okay, so what is collocation? Okay, thank you. Okay, very good. Okay, next, enumerate the types of collocations. Okay, very good. Define each type. Okay, very good. And lastly, give at least one example for each type. Okay, very good. So, you all are so great in our lesson for today. Okay, thank you, class, for listening. Okay, next. So, class, for us to deepen or to evaluate more ourselves in this lesson, so we will have a evaluation. Okay, class. So, there are 10 sentences posted on the board. So, as you can see, there are 10 sentences or phrases. The students will identify its corresponding type of collocation. So, here, I have the 10 sentences. Okay? Number 1, I finally got my birth certificate earlier at the office. So, you will identify what is the collocation and what is its type. So, you will underline the collocation and then you will put a dash And then you will put the type of collocation. Because I have here 10. Okay, so any clarifications of the activity? So I will give you 20 minutes to answer these. Okay, thank you. So you already have our evaluation, and I can clearly observe that you really understand and learn something from our lesson today. And I am very much happy that you've able to listen to me and learn something from our class. So we will have now our assignment. Before anything else, before our our class for today, we will have an assignment class. So using your knowledge about collocations, create a paragraph about any of your preferred topic. So it may be life, your day-to-day lifestyle, about your habits, anything, any topic that you want. You will make a paragraph, and then the paragraph must contain 7 types of collocation and write it down with its corresponding type. So in your paragraph, in the paragraph that you will be making, you will put the 7 types of collocation must be visible on the paragraph that you will be making. So any topic that you want, basta the 7 types of collocation should be visible there. You will underline, and then sa ubos you will write the collocations or the phrases that you've put in the paragraph, and then you will put dash and then its corresponding type. Okay, so understand? Any clarifications about the assignment that will be checked tomorrow? Okay? Okay, very good. So everyone learned something today. Everyone deepen the topic, deepen the lesson, and thank you so much for cooperating in our class for today. I hope you learned something new, and goodbye everyone.